Hey everybody. So this just came probably about 20 minutes ago now. And so I'm out here in the shop. I did a little short video on it real quick on the damage, close it up. So now I'm going to do an unboxing to see how bad anything was damaged inside because of this. I mean, this is on the camera. It's not as bad as it is worse than it looks on the camera. Okay. The camera doesn't show everything I can see and stuff on it. So I'm going to set this up here. All right, got the camera almost adjusted. Let's get it here about right. And we'll check out, see what that damage there is. I'm not sure how well I'm going to show up in there, but we'll see what we can got here. I'm going to go ahead and end this here now for the unboxing video, but I'm going to go ahead and continue on to do the assembly. If you're watching the assembly vehicle, I started with the unboxing there on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the assembly parts here. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, everything here looks like it was here, so I just got to do everything and just assemble it up here so everything's put together right. First, I got to see if I can get. Yeah, there are three little snaps inside here to remove the hub off. So let me grab my screwdriver over here and I'll get it taken care of. Yeah, I figured my small screwdriver would work on this, so let's get that in there. Okay, I pulled that one loose. And we'll get this one here. There we go. And the last one. All right, let's put this together here. So first thing goes on, it's going to be this washer here. And the wheel back on. And how well it's going to show up, you can see the little indentation around here, the groove that the cap ring is supposed to lock into. And let's see if I can get this to lock down on that. Make sure it stays. Okay. And then put this back on. I can hear the grandkids out there screaming in the yard. Okay, and this is, I guess, is to so you can swing it up out of the way. All right, give me a second. I'll be right back. All right, so let's look over the instructions here. Packaging contents. Yep. Got that. For those, I got to check that box there again. I got the user manual. Wrenches. 2 opening wrenches. Haven't seen those. They may be in that box still. Got that. Got those. Got to check for those. So let's see if we got in here. We should have 4 of these. 4 of these, and they got some screw things. Okay. Third one's in. Okay, 2 wrenches are in there, and then the have to go through this here. Hang on a second here. Okay, that's that. Two wrenches. And then we got, okay, I was worried there because I saw the one without the nut on it, but the nut, oh, wait a minute. I am missing a nut. And it says So, unless that was supposed to be, let me see if one of these, okay, this, okay. The one's rounded top, so it goes with the other one of these, so. All right, so, yeah, I got that. Tell her about it. Yeah, so I do have everything. I just got to follow the instructions for assembling it now. Set these down here. And let's look at the next page. Product overview, assembly instructions. Okay, so there, bring this around here, this way here. And this has, so for that axle assembly, the two loose bolts and nuts there go to put it on each side there. Some of the washers are curved to match the tubing. So let's get at this. Interestingly, I'm missing another washer. This one here that has it on there, the one that does have the nut doesn't have the washer, and the one that has the washer has the loose nut. So let me see how that goes on here. Okay, the one without the washer goes on the angle lift up on it. Okay, so that goes. Okay, use the pin to hold it in place, and I'll put this one here in place first. So that gets that and that. So the flat washer, let me double check this to make sure I'm doing it right. Flat washer goes, that's weird. All right, so I'll put this one here. Oh, run it the other way. Okay, run it the other way. All right. Okay. Yeah, missed one little detail. There we go. That goes over there. And this will go on here. This one here. There we go. Goes on there. Get the flat washer aligned. Okay, so these are the same size. Yeah, these are the same size, so it doesn't matter. Thought at first glance when I looked at them that they were different sizes, but they're the same size. So, and Okay, there it goes up. That's all the way up out of the way, and these others are for different heights on how far you want to go down deep. Yeah. All right, double cinch this down the rest of the way now. There we go. All right, there it is. That way. Now, next step here. All right, so that's that page. So now I put the bracket arms on. Okay. And that has all the, all right. So, bring these over here. Are there any difference between way 1 and way 2? The only difference I see on these is that this has a drain hole down here in case any water somehow gets in up above. Okay. Let me see where that washer's, okay, the washer goes on that side, okay. There we go. So, this goes on here, bracket on there, and that goes through the hole, and then the washer goes on, and then the knob nut. There we go. Let's get the other side put on with this going through. Make sure that's, there we go. I just want to double check the, all right, yeah, you're getting everything. So go ahead and pull this up around here. Move that forward a little bit. Pull the bag off here. Okay, so let me pull out the knife here. There we go. Loosen this one up a little bit, see if that'll help the angle here. Yeah, that does. And I can get this angled up here a little bit more correctly. Here we go. Washer on. Get this tightened back up down here. Then find out where the snap's supposed to go. All right, so the snap goes just below the upper bracket. There we go. All right. It does have a safety feature here. You got to push on this to be able to squeeze it to get the gut working, or push on it from the other side. Either way, this thing here is locked until it moves that way or that way. Handles feel comfortable, and I will tomorrow morning do a video of it, using it for the first time out there. So there it is working. And that's the one thing I got to do. Bring this back over here. Yeah, this tine here, and which tine was it there? The tine over here, I need to straighten back out. That's an easy fix. I can just take my big, giant crescent wrench, put it on it, put another wrench on it, just give it a little twist so it's back in the right shape. Do it slow. That way I don't want to beat on it. I could try using my rubber mallet, but I'm not sure how the impact is going to affect the rest of everything in here. So I'll just put the wrench on there and just give it a little twist back here. Just bend these back into shape. All right, that's it. And not bad for a little, was it $98, $94 little 18-inch wide electric tiller. I'll be using this in the orchard where I can't get with the big Coyote tractor backing in and doing the area. So there's some areas right in line between the from one tree to the next tree that I can't get into with the other tractor. This will take care of that just nicely. All right, take care, and I'll see you around.